So everybody, welcome to Mumbai Bike Diaries today, and we have the CB350 RS from Honda. Cue the music. So let's have a quick walk around of this bike. I got this from the Honda Big Wing showroom in Thane. The bike is in amazing condition, although you know what I think and what are my general opinions of the motorcycle. I have ridden this bike before, but I'm actually taking it out to the highway now, which is going to be way better. And yeah, आइए देखते हैं, मजा आएगा.
आइए देखते हैं, मजा आएगा.
So we are out in the highway now, and I'm encountering some traffic. But my first impressions is that this bike has an amazing exhaust note. Sounds really crisp and smooth, and has that nice little crackling sound, nice grunt. And it is such a talky motorcycle. See, most of the Honda motorcycles are all about feel. The power figures are not wow extraordinary. They're similar to the Bullet. So let's go to the power figures of this bike. We have 21 horsepower and 29.7, almost 30 Newton meters of torque on the bike, which makes this bike very good for the city. Talky, and power is decent, not that quick, but this bike is all about the feel. You get a single-sided exhaust which sounds absolutely amazing. I know some people complain about it, but to me it sounds like one of the best exhausts, and it feels very good when you're on the bike. You get MRF zappers, really fat tires on the rear, 160 section tires. Fat tires, very fat tires. And here we have MRF curved tires, which are F1 tires. These are the 190 19-inch tubeless. And all things aside, you get LED lighting all across. So I'll show you what the light looks like. This is the LED light on the front, and this is what the beam looks like. High beam, low beam. All right, LED indicators, and so it's not a monoshock. You get dual springs on the sides to handle the suspension, non-adjustable of course, and you get this nice LED tail light in the back. Mirrors are chromed out, looks very good. Handlebar feels good. You get a Honda badge over here. And let's see the startup. You get the whole swipe up, gear indicator, what time, fuel indicator, range. All is very nice. So let's switch on the motorcycle. And the only annoying thing about Hondas is that the horn is over here and the indicators are over here, and all bikes in India, indicators are usually up and the horn is here. So yeah, let's see the horn. Not bad. Let me. What a lovely sound. This bike has feel. I mean, this feels good, feels classy, feels premium, feels refined. While the Bullet to me doesn't feel that refined. This feels like very refined, and Honda is known for some of the best refinement in motorcycles. I mean, you can't really compete with Honda. So in refinement terms, this is absolutely bonkers. Coming to the suspension of this bike, this bike has a good setup, and it's absorbing everything in its way. No issues at all. And damn, this bike really pulls. Okay, there's a shaky handlebar syndrome on this bike. So when you leave the handlebar, it's not a good thing that the bike shakes, but let's try to see the handling. Wow, absolutely bonkers handling. And a third, fourth gear also doesn't matter, the bike picks up and feels absolutely smooth too. ride, and wow, this is so good. Why would I not prefer this over the Bullet? Why would I choose the Bullet over this in any aspect? The thump sounds louder here. The brakes are very good. Suspension is as good as the Bullet, if not better. And the exhaust note just sounds absolutely lovely. Wow. Yup. I love the semi-digital tachometer. You know, it's got the analog needle, which I always love. Gives it a very classic vibe, and the engine braking is absolutely phenomenal. And let me pull a little bit. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is... And the seat is comfortable. Sitting position is quite good. It's not rear set. It's middle set. Your foot is middle set, and your handlebars are pretty relaxed. Like, you can sit relaxed. This is the kind of bike you just want to relax on at 80, 100 on the highway. And the exhaust note is like a nice musical song to you. And wow, and the handling is also super. Bike feels extremely light. Wow, 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 Honda, wow, this is absolutely amazing. So 6-speed gearbox, goes up to 130, 140, and oh my god, this is a rapid bike. It doesn't feel that rapid, which is what it is. Deceivingly fast. It deceives you with how fast it is. Lovely. And it goes into eco mode when you're keeping the RPMs. You can't see the RPMs, which I don't like about this, but with a bike like that, you don't really care about RPMs much. That the handlebar is extremely rattly. Maybe it's just this bike, but wow. Yeah, you see the handlebars? The handlebars are like extremely rattly. I mean, hello Bullet, Tata Bullet.
मजा आया.
If you want something that's classic but still fast, holy shit, this is absolutely crazy. And the suspension is so good too. I mean, brakes are good. The exhaust note to me is just I think the star of this motorcycle is the exhaust note. Feels so good to ride. I mean, this is just a proper Honda motorcycle where it's just refined. It's just everything is good. I mean, you can't really find anything wrong. It does everything pretty well, and I am really enjoying this motorcycle, to be honest. I mean, when you have options like the CB350 RS and the Harley Davidson X440, I think Bullet is gonna have some difficulty. I'm not saying that Bullet sales are gonna drop and the classic CB350 classic 350 sales are gonna drop, but there is a lot more on offer right now, and honestly, these bikes are way better in refinement and even in speed, and in every aspect these bikes are better than the Bullet. So I don't understand why would I want to pick this motorcycle. Why would I not pick this motorcycle over the Bullet or the Classic? Who should buy this motorcycle? I mean, if you're somebody who has a 150 or a 200 and are looking for more power, this is definitely a more powerful bike, and it's a good jump for anybody who owns a 150 or a 200. And you want to tour on the highway, you feel like your bike is not good enough for the highway, then this bike is pretty good in that aspect. The torque, oh wow, oh wow, oh my god, oh my god. I mean, if I was to buy a second motorcycle, I'm sure that this would be it. If I wanted a second motorcycle for just like, you know, Mumbai, slight, sometimes relaxed highway, you know, comfortable seat, you know, days you don't want to sit and go fully aggressive on a super bike, I think this would be definitely the motorcycle I would buy. I mean, I love it. My dad loves this motorcycle too. I mean, he test rode this motorcycle a year ago, and it's his dream bike. So hopefully one day I'll be able to buy him this motorcycle, the CB350 RS. But all things aside, I mean, this is just an amazing motorcycle, and that exhaust note just sounds sounds amazing. I mean, this is all round. Just to close up my review, up, I would 100% recommend this to anybody if you're looking at the Bullet or any other classic motorcycle, a Triumph Speed or whatever. I mean, this is not as fast as a Triumph Speed, of course, but just give this bike a test. You're looking at the Javas, at the Enfields, at any cruiser type motorcycle. Look at this motorcycle. Check this motorcycle out. It will surprise you because you might think it's not fast, but this motorcycle is absolutely fast. Great suspension. It is not an upside down fork system, but it does the job perfectly. Suspension does well. You have these covers on the motorcycle. Handlebar feels premium, chromed out handlebar, very nice. Suspension feels very good. Brakes are absolutely top notch. Honda is always good with brakes. But just the way the bike pulls, the real amazing part about this motorcycle is the engine. And if you're a person who loves a good engine on a motorcycle, I would highly recommend you to buy this motorcycle. Check it out first, test ride it. You will fall in love with this motorcycle and buy it. And finally, last but not least, if you did enjoy this video, please do like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot, and the channel is growing, and I appreciate a lot the support that you have provided, because nowadays every day I get up with the energy to make more videos, and it's all thanks to my subscribers and my viewers. So thanks a lot. This is me from Mumbai Bike Diaries logging out. Have a great day. Tata. Bye bye.